Hello, this is Gleb Bakhmutov, and today I want to show you how to use Cypress Magic backend plugin to better define which API calls we want to intercept. So let's look at this spec. It has a couple tests. One test adds to-dos, so it executes calls like get to-dos, post to-dos, and then it uses delete /to-do / the ID of the item we want to delete. Right now we define which calls to intercept and stub or inspect. The definition is in Cypress config file under the env block. We use API calls to intercept, and right now I define the calls to intercept using the notation from SciIntercept, where we can specify the method and the path name. And I'm using Minimatch to define the URLs to observe. But this is way too broad and way too generous of a definition. It allows you to observe all the methods and all the methods applied to to-dos and to-do / with another segment. We can define more precise the APIs we want to stub in our plugin. And for that, we're going to switch from a single object to an array. And before I do that, I just want to show how this observation runs right now. So in Cypress, if we apply previously recorded API calls, then we show the aliases for the stubbed calls, right? So this is a single definition, and it shows all the network calls stubbed by the plugin. Let's change this. Instead of a single object, we're going to define an array of intercepts. And we'll just be very explicit. So the first one is for loading or adding new to-dos. And for that, and if we use min match syntax, all we want to jam or all we want to intercept is either get or post. And this is the only API endpoint. Okay, and we're going to define another pattern, and that will be our delete. And it's just a single method, and it will have just a single segment, usually. That's all we need. All right, so how does it look in browser? So the same test, if we are running in the replay mode, finishes successfully. Now notice that now the aliases, they show the number starting with 1 of the intercept that was applied. So the first test only did get and post to-do, so it was the first intercept. That's why there's number 1. The test for deleting to-dos got all to-dos using get to-do, so that's the first intercept. And then it deleted an item, and that's matched the second intercept. That's why you see the number 2 right here. So I hope that defining an array of intercepts makes your config more legible, easier to understand, and more precise.